Yeah.
Good. At least I noticed.
Thank God, that would have been so bad. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Delaney.
I'm Chip.
And today we're going to be doing our color of the month, which kind of got pushed to July from June, but it's the last one, so.
Great.
We
made it.
What color are we going to do today?
So I'm going to do black because it's the last color that I could pick, and we're going for it. We have high hopes. We're going to do something sultry, something dramatic, something black on the eyes. Yes.
And then I'll be taking on green, so.
Which I feel like green is such a pretty color on you. Like, anyway.
It's such a pretty color on you.
Let's wait till we switch. If she'll think the same thing.
We're just going to go ahead and jump into it.
Yes.
I'm going to be focusing on using one palette today because I'm a lazy bitch. So I'm going to be using the Gemini palette because it has like my favorite black in it and it's got some greens. So, you know.
Beautiful. I'm going in with the ABH Soft Glam palette because it has black. Literally, I was just looking for a black and that's the first palette I grabbed.
It's going to be Black Glam after this. What are you going to use for green though?
I'm going to use her. Oh, goodness. Okay, so I've already primed my eyes with the Urban Decay Eye Primer in Original. I got this.
I didn't, so.
And I'm just going to use the brush that came in the palette. All right, we're just going to start putting on some black. Keep packing it. We're going to pack it till we feel like we've packed enough.
All right, so we're only using 3 shades out of here, so Chip will still have an opportunity to use a green without overlapping, but I mean, they're beautiful greens. I love this palette for the fall. It's great fall colors. It's all muted and sick and gross, which is like me, so no. I'm gonna dip in with the Morphe M412, and we're gonna go in with a MOCHI and the Crease, and it's just like this really nice, like mustardy green.
Who is this? Melt?
Yes, Melt.
Oh,
they just released that new.
Now.
Yeah, they just released that new palette in Sephora, which I'm like, do I want it?
Yeah.
I want like one half of it.
Oh.
Like I like that they didn't do like a stack and they did a palette, and I feel like if you don't own anything Melt, like that would be a great palette for you to pick up because it's kind of like an incorporation of their stacks, some of this palette. So like I think that it's worthy, but it's too many metallics in there for me. Like, Melt does a lot of metallic shades.
Okay, so I just put Noir all over the lid, and I kind of winged it out a bit. And I'm going to go in with Sienna and Rustic mix, because I just need to blend out the edges.
I'm just, like, sitting here looking at the brushes that I brought with me, and I'm just
like,
judging
why?
myself. Like, who packed this? Was it me? Alright, so I'm going to dip into GOALZ, and like normally I would use my Sephora Pro 14 to apply this, but we're going to be using like a shitty brush for Wish because that's what I brought.
Prepared.
I mean, it's got like some wet cream product on it from last time I used it, so it'll just help apply it. It'll do, donkey. It'll do.
I love that movie.
Who doesn't love Shrek?
Right?
I'm going to be looking
classic.
like Shrek here in a
Oh my god.
I love the wig you're wearing today, though.
Thank you.
I like how goldeny it is.
Thank you. I had to get like the store model because they didn't have one packed that was like in the shade, which I hate. You had
to get the one that's like on the mannequin.
Because I'm like, who has like, how many people have touched this?
How many people have put it on?
Yes, but you get a discount.
It better be a quality discount.
It was like 20%. So I was like, oh, okay. The wig itself was $30.
Not enough, ma'am.
It's like, okay.
Your dignity.
My dignity. My wignity.
Look at you.
I know, I'm learning.
Oh
I'm learning.
Such a proud mom right now. Okay, so shade number 3. God, again, I would use my Sephora Pro for this, but I don't have it, so I'm gonna use the same brush. And then we're gonna dip into Leo, which is the dark, like, hunter green of the palette.
Oh, look at that shape.
Woo! Oh my god. ASMR.
Oh my god. He's so gross. Okay, I won't lie. Like, I sometimes late at night, if I'm feeling kind of weird, like I'll listen to ASMR like eating channels, and then I'm just sitting there like,
it's like too wet. It's always too wet.
Yeah, I love the crunchy noises, but when they get into like spaghetti or like they're drinking and the gulp, I'm like.
I mean, like, I know it's the point to like really accentuate the sounds depending on like what sound it is, but like no one eats noodles like that. Like, I'm gonna choke.
Because I'm gonna choke.
What is that Vine where like she has that, is it gum or something that she has in her mouth, and she's like sucking it in and out real quick, and then she like goes into the back of her throat. She's like,
oh my god, no, I haven't seen that one.
It's something. So I'm just applying the shade in the outer corner if I didn't say that already. I'm just like stamping it on because this brush has like no bristle power. So like I'm just kind of raking it over the outer corner of my eye like, you know, a professional would.
Professional.
Professional.
And I'm just adding it to the bottom lash line because, or under eye. Because you can only do so much with black. But I'm actually liking it. Like this would be like a nighttime. Let's go out.
Definitely not a daytime.
What? I'm just gonna go deposit some money in the bank.
So I'm gonna dip into eyeliner today. We're gonna be using the Sephora. This is just your retractable waterproof eyeliner. This is in the shade Matte Moss because, you know, I'm very mossy right now.
Ooh.
We're gonna put that in the lower and upper waterlines. Going in with the Tarte Maneater mascara to just prep for lashes. So lashes today are going to be the Bombshell Boss lashes. They are discontinued. Because their whole site's discontinued, essentially.
They done.
Which ones are we wearing today?
These are Tarte. No, these are Tarte.
I like how you get them spider ready. God, scary.
Center of attention, what these are called.
I have a pair of lashes from them. I got them in a BoxyCharm once.
Yeah.
I mean, what have I not gotten in a BoxyCharm from Tarte once? BELLEGANT, LIMERITA, Liquid Lip. Don't mess up. Don't mess up.
Delaney.
Chill.
Oh my god.
I did not do that. That was not me. That was not me.
We have video evidence. All right, my lip choice is my ABH matte lipstick in Midnight. Yes. Because we're just going for it, okay? Almost.
You're gonna like creep it onto your tooth. You're so matte black, girl. Is this your first time at the club? You're like, so what if it is?
Is this the one everyone wears at the club?
I mean, I would wear that on a normal day. I would wear this on a normal day, let's be honest.
This is nice.
If I do black, I always just do like a black eyeliner, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Well, now we're gonna see what she does for black.
It's a black eyeliner. That's it. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, well, we're gonna go ahead and do close-ups of this look, and then we'll be coming in with the look number 2 for our color switcheroo.
Green will be me.
We're gonna do the color switch now, so I'm gonna take on black, and Chip is going to do
green. And I'm using the Huda Obsession palette in Emerald. Yeah, I wanted to like flip and be cool, but then it just wasn't holding, so.
The shadows fall out?
Yeah, oh my god. That would terrify the hell back. Damn it.
So Chip used tape. I'm gonna use an eye shield.
Because you fancy. She fancy.
I fancy, huh?
But you can use those under your makeup.
Under my makeup? Ripped it off. I forgot to take.
Do you have makeup under there?
Yeah.
Oh, and it doesn't take off your makeup?
I mean, it will a little bit, but.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I'm just trying not to get it stuck on my eyelashes. We're gonna put a base down with some black gel liner. This is from Pretty Vulgar. It's the ink gel liner and Blacklist. The only thing about this is even the packaging is super clear, you can't see shit in there.
No.
It's just the darkest.
I'm going in with this darkest matte green in the palette.
Huda, you piece of shit, not having names. I didn't prime my eyes this time because I was going to put this gel liner down. But I am going to work like one eye at a time because I want to get the powder on there while this gel is wet. Okay, so the matte black in this is called Bonnie. It's the only black in the palette, so you can't miss it. And I'm just going to take like that wet gel on the brush that I still had and just dab it over. I think I've packed down enough of the black onto there. I'm going to take a small blending brush and add a little bit of black to soften these edges. And I'm going to be using the Morphe E18 to do so. I'm going to use the same brush and overly blend with the shade Laurely, which is like a goldeny brown.
I'm going to use our finger here. And I'm using this shade in the upper corner.
I'm just applying a little bit of that Laurely in the little part of my under eye that's peeking through the eye shield. And then I'm going to go back in with another brush later.
We're going to go in with our Lancome liner, black.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Don't mind me, I'm just finishing my other eye.
Yes. So we ordered the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palettes.
I don't know, like I've tried to not really look at it a whole lot. I'm like a layout kind of bitch. Like I have to see it a certain way for me to like really get inspired and to like know where I'm going. When things are set up in like a color story, like sometimes that's okay and they're still kind of graded. Like the way this palette is set up, a perfect example of like what I want a prime palette to look like. Like you got your greens over here and you got your browns over here and there's a black in the middle, like you said. And that palette, it's a little bit of everywhere. Okay, now it's time for the reveal.
You say the reveal?
Yeah.
Going in with my Tarte Big Ego mascara. Yeah.
Christ.
Oh no.
They're like really good. They're so good. I'm gonna dip into a really tiny brush to finish the rest of this look out. This is the Morphe M515, and we're just gonna go in with Laurely down here on the lower lash line, like I was working on before.
I am done.
Black takes a
but
second.
I'm not done. It does. I'll give you that. It really does.
There's so much shaping involved. I'm just going with a black liner because, you know,
why not?
It's a black look. This is the Urban Decay Glide-On pencil in Perversion.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with the BELLEGANT liquid lipstick in Limerita.
Going back in with the Tarte mascara just to prep back for lashes. I'm gonna be using the same lashes before the Bombshell Cosmetica Boss.
We'll go back with some lashes.
Yay! I'm just gonna wait for the rest of that mascara to dry, and I'll also be using another BELLEGANT lipstick. This is in the shade Heat Wave. It's just like all of their orange shades, to be honest. This one's like a little bit more rusticy.
All done.
Color switch.
Yes.
I like.
The
glitter actually looks really good.
I like
for
little accent color. Did you do? Is it the lip under your eye, or you just have a shadow
it's just
that
the
matches?
shadow that matches it.
Matches really, really well. Like that.
Got it all up here.
She does. She does. She's very planned.
I like it.
Yeah.
My brows look non-existent. They're
there. They're there. Well, yeah, so this is our switch. Hope you liked it. I took green, Delaney took black, and we are done with colors.
Ooh, forever.
What are we gonna do now? We need a new series. So if you guys have some ideas that you want us to see involving eyeshadow colors, let us know down in the comment box below. We're really
like a seasonal look.
Yeah.
We should do a summer look. Let's do summer sunset look.
Summer sunset? Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. I love sunset.
That'll be our next video.
Yeah.
But thank you guys so much for watching the video. Like Chip said, if you want to see us do anything, put it down in the comments section below. Hit us up on our Instagram. All of our social medias are sugar and spice _makeup. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.